Eric's just walking. He is not dead. Shoot his ass.
Hey Dom, what are we doing? The flag's still right here. No, that's not ours.
Light doesn't. Okay. That's why they said red flashlights only. So you can still see, but yeah, I mean, my head down.
No, can't trade. In a skywalk, but that's a Washington law. That's a Washington law, which is ridiculous.
You know, Spokane, it's illegal to fuck cars.
That's right. Yeah, that's another one. Go get him! Go get the quote! Go. Oh, he's on the tree! He's on the tree! Wrong tree!
Did you get me charged with that? That's
yeah. Oh.
Good. Win it. Now we're hurry the fuck up. Exactly.
Hmm.
Good. Win it for us. You're so cocky about it. Is it just you take the pecker out of your ass?
Yeah.
Hurry up. If I like the pecker on my ass.
Only swords.
Do not deny me my doobie!
I can't do it with my rifle.